Welcome back to the channel. Doing a big commercial job today. As you can see, how to do a large commercial building window cleaning efficiently. First, you need your zero trad 20. They're all labeled. You can pull sections out as you go if you don't need the full 20. I got my Mowerman flick pad. Mowerman swivel handle. I'm scrubbing these extra good. There's a lot of dried runs. Just a thorough scrub is all they need. Flick that pad. Straight pull. I do a stutter step on the top. Grab all the water from the top. I kind of slide over. I'm working left to right, so I kind of slide over as I'm doing the stutter step. Make sure I grab everything. I'm not worried about detailing the edges on this around the window. I do a good enough job as is. Make sure I have no runs coming from the top. I'm not jamming water in the top. See, I'm just going across. And like I always say, straight pulls is king. A lot of guys like to dance around like this, which is fine. I just find straight pulls being more efficient. A lot of guys do the dancing around S-curve with the pole because they're not good at the straight pulls. Straight pulls do take a lot of practice. They're not easy. Making sure you're not leaving lines, watermarks on the top. I got a tree. Here you'd have to straight pull because of all the branches. I'll put the links in the description below for these products. This is honestly the ultimate setup. I used to ladder all these. Carry the ladder under the trees, under each tree. The tree's all down. Ladder, pull it down, all the way down. It was just beast mode is what it was. And then I got this set up. I don't ladder anything here. This is a full clean. I already did the inside. But yeah, I used to ladder all this inside and outside. This is honestly the ultimate setup. 100% worth it. No regrets. I don't know if you can see how bad these are. No lines. Perfection. When you order this channel and handle, the Mormon, it'll give you options on what sleeve you want. The scrubber that I'm using right now. Go with the Fugu pad. It's the more abrasive one that they have. It's just cutting through all this. A little extra scrubbing, but it's cutting through it. Man, you just see that shine when I pull the water off. All I use is Dawn soap. I don't waste my money on all the additives for extra slip and so it won't dry as fast in the sun. I just know how to work properly and quick. I carry 2 of these bottles on me all the time. Saves going back to my bucket and dipping or carrying the bucket with you. I just soak them up. Nice thing about this flick pad, you never have to bring your pole down to switch out tools. This is a 2-in-1. Hey, later guys. See you next time.
We'll leave the gate open if you get it. Right? If you don't worry about it.
No, I always close it and do the chain, yep. I could pull these, but the sun's beating on them. I just got my 4-foot ladder. Still the same amount of time, if not a little quicker, doing it by hand here. The difference. I don't know if you could see it in the camera. Some guys might be saying, why don't you just water fed pull it? I have. The time of the year when I do it just happens to fall on, they don't have irrigation on. So I just do it all by hand. The only opportunity I'll get to water fed pull it is in 6 months. But with that setup, the 0 trad and flick pad, could do it just as fast, I think. But yes, it's very doable. I just got the 0 Pure Max Plus. I'm excited to try that out. Subscribe to my channel. I'll teach you a lot. I know all the tips and tricks. I'm always about efficiency. I'm a solo operator, so everything I do on my own. This job here, all by myself, 7-8 hours, about $1,400. These windows are pretty warm, so I'm only doing half at a time. When I see spots like this, bird poop, little pre-soak, it'll come right off when I come back to. Did all the high stuff with my flick pad. Lower stuff, I'll do my 22-inch mop. We'll have this full building. It's a big building. Have it all done today, in and out. Cut my top. Get it to where I can reach it by hand. Make a mistake, just tap your wet rubber on the glass. It'll give you a little bit of slippage. Always wipe your stickers, your decals. They hold water. That's how you do a large commercial building by yourself. Professional style. Got it done in 6.5 hours or so. About 1,400 bucks. I'll put the link in the description for the Zero trad pole and the Mormon flick pad. That's how you dominate stuff like this, these large commercial. If you're in Boise, hit me up. Advanced window cleaning. Thanks again, guys.